Fifth grade students of Charlemont Elementary School were recently visited by BioEYES, a program created by Drs. Stephen Farber and Jamie Shuda to encourage enthusiasm for science. Transparent zebrafish were the subject of their experiments, which the students were able to observe from egg to embryo and beyond.
BioEYES is a joint effort between Baltimore County Public Schools and the Carnegie Institution of Washington. Their Department of Embryology is located on the campus of Johns Hopkins University. And what we do is we bring in zebrafish, which are these little tiny fish. We bring them into fifth grade, and we breed the adults, harvest the embryos, and then watch the embryos develop over the course of the week. And during the course of the week, the students learn various things, such as how a fish's gills function is in comparison to our lungs, how a zebrafish's heart is different from a human heart, and also how research science is completed. They learn how to take a census of the fish, so to speak, and graph that data, and they address the changes, and they analyze that data at the end of the week.
After the embryos were collected, the students began to monitor their growth through a microscope. That growth was then recorded in their lab journals for them to make hypotheses and draw conclusions, much like professional scientists.
We got to look under a microscope and look at how fish were growing. I've never been able to look at that before. Today we were looking at the heartbeat, and that looked really cool because it's like you could see all the blood flowing through them, like their veins and all.
I never really worked with animals as I did this week, so it was kind of interesting to try something new.
This program not only explores the excitement of science, but also other aspects, like meticulous data collection and the mistakes that occur.
The graphs were to show like how your data progressed over the week. So we noted how many embryo we had. The first we had a lot, like our group had 330 embryos, and then we accidentally put them on the heating pad. In science, mistakes happen, and so we put them in the container that they're supposed to be on top of in the heating pad, and most of them got overheated and died. And like you can tell that they're dead because on the chart that we had earlier, there's a black side, and if you put it on the black side, they look like white little crystal-like things.
In 1 week, not only did students learn about how to observe these fish, but also about the joy of discovery found in science.
I tell teachers all the time that the most exciting thing about this is I haven't seen a kid that doesn't enjoy BioEYES. It's the application of all the science they've learned so far in elementary school. And it really is excellent. It's such a hands-on activity for the children. They enjoy it quite a bit. And it's just watching the kids react when they see that they have embryos in the bottom of the tank, or how they become autonomous by the end of the week and they're really able to work independently without much help from me or the classroom teacher. It's just fantastic to watch not only how the fish grow, but also how quickly the students grow.
With so much success at Charlemont Elementary School, it's no wonder that the goal for BioEYES is to expand to reach more students.
Right now, I'm the only person in the entire country who is paid by a school district to do this, funded through Title II money. I would love to see it grow. There are middle school and high school programs with BioEYES, and I'd love to see it in the middle school and high school. I think it would be a fantastic opportunity. The Carnegie Institute does an outreach program in high school, and I got a chance to observe that, and it was fantastic just to see how well the high school students took to it. And it's just, goes right along with biology curriculum, and it's fantastic. I really love to see it expand.
For BCPS News, I'm Elise Myers.